Hello and welcome back to Income Grinders. My name is Eric and I will guide you through this weekly income report. Today it's time for week number 4 of 2021, and you can already see in the background that the total for this last week is up to 2,715 US dollars, which is quite a lot more than 100% increase from last year. And if you look at the statistics, this is mainly due to a big rise in commission for the affiliate websites on the 31st of January. We came up all the way up to 529 US dollars that day due to some big sales on one of the websites. So one of the more interesting things I like to keep track of is the estimated yearly profit that my projects will give me, and it is now up to about 140,000 US dollars per year if things keep as they are, basically. And this value is based on the last 3 months real values, real earnings coming in, and deducted by all the costs that I have to run these projects, like websites, domain names, hosting, software, and all that kind of stuff. And like always, if we scroll down, we can compare notes here, what has increased and what has happened compared to last year. You can also see in the other column here that that has started to get some traction. Last year at this time I didn't have that even started yet, so there's a few dollars extra coming in each day here, which is great. Sort of getting the leftovers from bad affiliate links. I've implemented a feature to sort of never have any broken links, which is good. That's about it in the income report, and as always I would like to know how you did this week that went by. Have you started yet creating any content or websites or YouTube channels, or do you need any help getting started? You can ask any questions in the comment sections below, and I will do my best to give you some help to get started. And you should also consider subscribing if you want to keep up with these updates, or get any guides or tutorials related to affiliate marketing, Adsense, search engine optimization, or internet marketing in general. I will also start a YouTube case study, actually based on this specific channel that I'm doing these weekly reports on, so that will be interesting. I will do a video about how I sort of the process of getting started, and then keep you updated with the progress of this channel in itself. Yeah, that's it for this update, and have a great day.